The difference between in and on is actually super easy. In means something is inside, like inside a box, a bag, or a room. On means something is touching the surface, like on the table, on the floor, or on the wall. So just remember, in means inside, on means surface, touching the surface. That's it. Easy, right? Now let's go through these questions together. Number one, the apple is blank the basket. Should we put in or on in the blank? Since the apple is inside the basket, we should use in. So the answer is the apple is in the basket. Number two, the book is blank the table. Which one should we use? Since the book is touching the surface of the table, the answer is on. So the book is on the table. Number three, she lives blank New York City. Should we use in or on? Well, she lives inside the city, so we say in. So the sentence is she lives in New York City. Number four, please put your phone blank your pocket. Which one works here? The phone goes inside the pocket, so the answer is in. The sentence is put your phone in your pocket. Number five, there is dust blank the floor. Should we use in or on? Dust sits on the surface of the floor, so the answer is on. There is dust on the floor. Number six, my keys are blank my bag. Which word should we choose? The keys are inside the bag, so we say in. The sentence is my keys are in my bag. Number seven, there is a painting blank the wall. Should we use in or on? The painting is attached to the surface of the wall, so the answer is on. There is a painting on the wall. Number eight, the shoes are blank the box. Which one do we need? The shoes are inside the box, so the answer is in. The shoes are in the box. Number nine, sit blank the chair. Should we say in or on? We sit on the surface of a chair, so the answer is on. The sentence is sit on the chair. Number 10, the cat is sleeping blank the sofa. What should we put here? The cat is lying on the surface of the sofa. So the answer is on. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Okay, quick recap. Remember, we use in when something is inside a space, and we use on when something is touching the surface. That's the main difference. Simple, right? Now I want you to try 5 more questions on your own. Think carefully, decide if it should be in or on, and then check your answers later. And that's it for today's lesson. Thanks very much. I'm Nelson. See you next time. Bye.